Bass in your face.
Starting at the bottom, you're going to start to create curls using a wide hair straightener. You're going to curl all the way right to the top. The purpose of a wide straightener is that it gives you a looser curl effect, which is what you want. Add Magic Dust volume powder in the crown of the head, and then take that section and use flat sectioning clips to hold it into place temporarily. It's like having another true set of hands. On the sides, you're going to create a twist rope effect and then release it and hold it into place using those clips. Take an elastic band and tie up that center panel into a low ponytail, then release the two flat clips. Add a small section of padding, which can be used by cutting a hair donut, and secure that into place. Taking the pony into thin sections, you're going to create this rope effect. Always apply Magic Dust on it just to make it fuller, thicker, and hold it into place for longer. Secure with bobby pins. Take your two side panels and add it. Add your accessories, and here's your finished look. Follow KOK.